Hi, my name is Craig Ellingson. I'm a service tech for Eastey Enterprises, and in this video we're going to talk about replacing sponge rubber on an Eastey L-bar sealer. The sponge rubber on an Eastey L-bar sealer is where the cutting rule and insert will meet against to cut the plastic and seal it. The reasons you would replace it is if you're noticing gouges or tears, or if you're just noticing inconsistent seals in certain locations. If you are noticing inconsistent seals, the sponge rubber that is currently installed can often be flipped over. So you can just pull the sponge rubber out of the track. You can inspect it for any cracks. Just flip it over and reinstall. When reinstalling, you want to make sure that you put as much sponge rubber back into the track as you can. I'll often push it into the track. You do not want to stretch the sponge rubber to put it in. Once you get it in and you've pushed it in, you might have little bubbles along the seam. You just wipe it down. Hot wire L-bar sealers and certain hot knife L-bar sealers will have a Teflon tape inserted on top of the sponge rubber. Hot knives usually don't need it, but in some instances with certain films, Teflon tape will help make a seal better. If your machine currently does have Teflon tape, after you replace the sponge, just replace the tape on top of the sponge rubber. Once the sponge rubber has been replaced, you're good to go and fully operational. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos, you can head on to our YouTube channel, or you can head on to our website at eastey.com.